Robelf is a learning robot that helps people understand how robots think, move, and interact, making it ideal for education rather than industrial or medical use. It can talk, move, sense, and follow programmed instructions, making it a powerful learning companion for robotics and AI beginners. Robelf Robot is designed as an educational and interactive humanoid robot. Its abilities focus on learning, interaction, and basic AI demonstrations rather than industrial tasks. It can perform movements. It walks, turns, and performs basic body movements. It demonstrates coordinated actions for learning robotics motion control. Robelf Robot can interact with users. It can respond to voice commands. It communicates using built-in speakers. It engages users through simple conversations and responses. It can teach programming and coding. It executes commands written using block-based or beginner coding platforms. It helps learners understand logic, sequences, and automation.